Everybody here today has a love story. Some are short, others long. Some are yet to be written, while others are just getting to the good parts. And whilst every love story is beautiful, Michael and Stephanie's favourite love story began on Anzac Day in 2014 through mutual friends Chantel and Stuart.
I feel like a kid again, like summer nights that never end.
I'd like to think that I'm where this love story really came together, as I claim to be the force who brought these two lovebirds together. You're welcome.
I met her on Anzac Day 5 years ago through Tags and Chantel.
And I feel brand new. I feel so young and I feel so...
Goody met Steph in 2014 completely by chance. You would never have guessed that when Poppet and I only invited 2 people to a house party in Claremont that their paths would cross. What are the chances?
Brand new. So brand new.
When Steph first laid eyes on Goody, I clearly remember her first remarks being, "Oh, he is delicious."
I do remember the moment that we met. We were at my friend Chantel's house and he walked in and he was just a dreamboat. He was gorgeous, blue eyes, buff, beautiful, and I was like, yeah, he's mine.
When I asked Goody a few days later what he thought of Steph, his response was, "Which one was she?"
I feel brand new. I feel so young and I feel so on top of the world and I feel so. I feel alive.
She said, "I'm going to get the goods."
I'm gonna get the goods is apparently what I said. I don't exactly remember that, but yep.
Brand new. So brand new. Brand new.
In the weeks that followed, we watched this beginning of their love story unfold with a date night at the garden. This sadly was a disaster and, according to Steph, never happening again.
Brand new.
The romance was put into recess until the next chance meeting. This came in the form of meeting Steph out on a night in Leederville a year later, where it was clear that the flame was very much still there. And this night will forever be known as Steph getting the goods.
What does Stephanie mean to me? Everything. She's been the whole purpose of emigrating to Australia to give her a better life, making sure she was cared for by coaxing mom and dad to live here too.
The darkness closed in, then it was broken. You always kept me holding.
What I love about Stephanie is her commitment to everything she starts, her faith in people, and her strength in trying something new. Stephanie, I love you so very much, and I'm very proud of you.
Look at us now.
And Steph, you look amazing because you are amazing. You have such wonderful qualities that actually empower those that get the pleasure of your company. You are a leader, you're smart, you're driven, ambitious, independent, you're caring, you're focused, nurturing, you're resilient, organised, disciplined, considerate, and simply gorgeous. You are everything that my wife wants me to be.
Michael was the first born, was a beautiful chubby little boy. He was built a bit like the Michelin Man. You can look back at those adverts.
Michael is a true gentleman. He's a generous soul. He is probably one of the kindest souls I've ever met, and he is exactly the man that I choose to be with for the rest of my life.
He's definitely probably the most generous, thoughtful, caring person that I ever met. She always is putting other people before herself and always thinking about ways to help people.
Dearest friends and family of Michael, Steph, Ava and Ollie, you have all come together on this beautiful summer afternoon at this magnificent location to share with them this very special occasion in their lives.
Our dreams before us, nothing to hold us back.
To answer your question, seeing her walk down the aisle is probably what I'm most looking forward to. And
our dreams before us, nothing can hold us back. You show me we are limitless. Look at us now.
Our wedding is such a wonderful occasion filled with hopes, dreams and excitement. Steph and Michael, it is your love that has brought us together today. We are all here to help celebrate that love and to recognise and to witness your decision to journey forward in your lives as a wife and as a husband.
Steph, from the first night I met you, I knew you were a special person. But what I didn't know at the time is that you are the most loving, loyal, compassionate and generous person I've met.
Michael, around 5 years ago you caught my eye, and in that moment you captured my heart by being exactly who you are, a true gentleman.
For 4 years, every day, I count myself extremely fortunate to have you in my life, and today I'm excited to finally be your husband.
You are the sweetest, kindest and calmest person I have ever met. Michael, you were and are a million dreams and prayers of a little girl come true.
Michael, you may now kiss your bride.
Look at us now. Look at you shine. We're not coming down. Don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now. Look at us now. Don't wanna close my eyes.
In the famous words of Greg Norman, I owe a lot to my parents, especially my mum and dad.
Look at us now.
Steph and Michael are just perfect for each other. One of the things she loves about him is how easygoing he is, which I'm sure everyone in this room can agree with. The perfect example of this is when we dragged him across Europe in a group of 3 girls whilst he willingly accepted the job of being photographer, heavy bag carrier and navigator, with no complaints. You know you found yourself a keeper when your partner so seamlessly becomes part of your girl gang.
I always thought Sue was well organised, but Steph is up another level in planning and making lists.
Now, Steph, Michael would like you to promise to stop making lists for everything and then procrastinating over those small jobs.
I can't.
Got a real good feeling, got a real good feeling, like there
wedding today, you've put together countless lists and countless hours, and it looks amazing. I was a bit naive how much planning goes into today. As I've been told, the best part of being the groom is that weddings just seem to plan themselves.
Got a real good feeling, got a real good feeling, like there is lightning deep in my bones. Got a real good feeling, I won't hit no ceiling, I'm going higher than I've ever known.
Michael and Stephanie, you two as a team are awesome together. You are both very special to me, and I hope this day is the perfect beginning for the rest of your lives together.
Goody. The moment you came into Steph's life, I saw a sparkle light up in her eyes. I saw a Steph I hadn't seen before, a Steph in love. And every day since, that sparkle has grown brighter and brighter as you've grown together, supported each other, and started a little fur family together. You have taken each other's hand without a shred of doubt and thrived through some of life's toughest challenges together.
I got everything you need.
I am 1 year into my first marriage, and my one piece of advice... Goody, my one piece of advice is every day, when you have the opportunity, 3 syllables, 3 words, and use these magical words. Can I help?
Steph, there is approximately 7.8 billion people in this world, and out of all these people, you are my one. And thank you for choosing me. I love you.
I chose you when I met you, I choose you now, and I'll forever choose you in all the years of our journey to come.